Let's be honest here, the festive foods you are about to eat over the next few weeks are not going to be healthy for fertility. And with Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and New Year's celebrations all coming up, you are looking at potentially 20 meals that could put your fertility on a pause. Hi, I'm Katrin Chong, and as Australia's leading fertility dietitian who has worked with many couples through the holiday season, I see the same pattern every January. Couples coming to me feeling so frustrated that they took a break over Christmas and now they feel like they are so behind. But here's the good news. You don't have to skip the celebration or eat some boring salad while everybody enjoying themselves. I'm going to show you 4 simple food swaps that let you enjoy the holiday while actually still optimizing your fertility. Now, before we dive into today's episode, a quick reminder, 95% of people watching this video haven't subscribed yet. So if you want weekly video like this to support your fertility journey, please hit that subscribe button now. It really helps our team to keep creating this content for you. And now let's dive in. 1. Replace Christmas pudding, pavlova, and sugar-loaded dessert with delicious dark chocolate bar topped with fertility-boosting ingredient. And here's why this matters. Traditional Christmas dessert can spike your blood sugar by 200 points. And that blood sugar spike can trigger an insulin surge and can disrupt your ovarian function. But dark chocolate, which contains 70% of cacao or higher, it has these beneficial plant compounds known as flavonoids, which can improve insulin sensitivity, blood vessel functions, and reduce your body oxidative stress. So here's what you need to prep. Get a high quality dark chocolate bar with over 70% or even better, 85%. And what you can do is melt it, spread it on a parchment paper, and top it with pistachio, dried cranberries, and pumpkin seed. And these toppings can further add on nutritious vitamins such as zinc, vitamin E, and antioxidants. And the key is to keep your blood sugar stable while you're still enjoying something sweet during this festive eating season. Now, speaking of which, if you want the full recipe, I have created a free downloadable guide with 8 guilt-free holiday dessert ideas for you. Now, make sure you grab it now. Follow the link below in the description box. Now, let's move on to swap number 2. Ditch the eggnog and alcohol-based beverage for pomegranate mocktail. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Eggnog can load up with a lot of sugar. Just imagine 1 cup of eggnog contains about 10 teaspoons of sugar. And if you are adding rum or brandy, you are basically adding more alcohol, which also directly can impact on fertility. But the good news is pomegranate juice is actually also one of the fertility superfood, especially for men. Now, a study found that men who drink pomegranate juice daily for 3 months had a 40% improvement in sperm motility and a 60% increase in sperm concentration. And for women, pomegranate also increases the blood flow to the uterus, which improves endometrial thickness. That's the lining where your embryo implants. So here's your mocktail recipe. Now, what you want to do is you can mix with 100% pure pomegranate juice with sparkling water and just add some fresh mint leaves and a squeeze of lemon and frozen vegetable perhaps, plus some ice cube. It will look so pretty, really matching with this festive eating season, and it tastes amazing too. And the best thing is everyone at the party can also enjoy it, not just for people who are trying to conceive. Now, moving on, swap number 3. Choose a grass-fed roast beef, wild-caught salmon, or perhaps organic free-range turkey instead of processed Christmas ham, salami, and deli meat. You see, processed meat contains nitrate and preservative, which are non-directly linked to reduced fertility. And this nitrate compound can also induce systematic inflammation, disrupting ovulation. So what to do instead? If you're hosting, consider perhaps making some herb-crusted salmon as your centerpiece at the dining table. And season it with rosemary, thyme, or even garlic, all these wonderful anti-inflammatory herbs, and serve it with roasted vegetable. And I'm sure that your guests will love it, and you will be giving your fertility another significant boost during this holiday season. And we are still scratching your head. What should I prepare for dessert for this year? I have created this free guide with 8 guilt-free holiday dessert ideas just for you. Make sure you grab it now. It's completely free. Just click on the link in the description box below. Moving on, number 4, build your plate with anti-inflammatory vegetable like roasted Brussels sprout, sweet potato mash, and cauliflower. Now, here's the problem with holiday traditional dishes. They can be mostly cooked with inflammatory seeds oil like canola, vegetables, and soybean oil. And this oil has a higher ratio of omega-6 fatty acids, which can also promote inflammation when consumed in excess. And inflammation is directly linked to conditions like endometriosis, PCOS, and unexplained infertility. So instead of stuffing made with white bread and cooked in seeds oil, what you can do perhaps is to prepare cauliflower and herb stuffing using extra virgin olive oil. And instead of mashed potato loaded with butter and margarine, you could also make sweet potato mash with extra virgin olive oil and cinnamon. And lastly, loaded up Brussels sprout. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that supports detoxification. And our liver is responsible for metabolizing excess estrogen. So supporting liver health and function is also essential when we talk about hormonal balance and optimizing fertility. So what you can do is you can roast them with olive oil, garlic, and sprinkle with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. They are super delicious, and they are festive, and they can also actively supporting your fertility while you're having a break and enjoying your holiday. Now listen, the goal here isn't put you to another diet. I just want you to enjoy your holiday break, but with a few simple tweaks so you can still nourish your fertility at the same time. So there you have it. I would love to hear from you. Which of these swap you are going to try this holiday season? Leave a comment down below now and share it with me. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a like if you enjoyed today's episode. And if you want even more fertility-friendly dessert option beyond what I have shared with you, make sure you grab your 8 guilt-free holiday dessert idea now. Just follow the link in the description box below and download your free copy now. I can't wait to see you again. Have a wonderful Christmas and holiday break with your loved one, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.